Yeah, that smells so good. I think it's roasted just right. It's got a nice little smoky flavor. Oh, you can smell that smoky little flavor. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit right there. So we got this old mill right here. This is the old grinder we've been using for years. It still works really, really well. Oh, look at how beautiful that thing is coming out. There's no artificial coloring, no pesticides, no chemicals. Grown right here at Santa Cruz Farm, right outside the window. So we're gonna make a red chili sauce base, and then we can go ahead and put it in with our pozole that Camila made, or we can use it to make red chili pork, red chili chicken enchiladas, red chili casserole, red chili sauce. Man, do all sorts of good stuff. There's no problem with sinuses with this beautiful chili after you grind it up like that. Look at how beautiful that looks.
Now we make chili.
Yeah. The garlic is so good, you can just smell it all the way here. Starts to bring tears to my eyes right away.
Poquito cilantro, yeah, Mexican cilantro. Very aromatic. Now I'm stirring some chicken stock that we saved into the onions, the garlic, and the cilantro. That's very nice. And then I'll put a little chili. I think this chili's hot. Right, Don?
You darn right, otherwise that ain't chili. You might as well be eating weeds. Go buy some of that stuff down in Hats if you want to eat weeds.
That's hot. Okay, I'm going to put
this
some
is real chili. This ain't no New York chili.
We're going to live dangerous. And put 2 tablespoons. And then, honey, can I get some of your cornmeal for the chili? Okay, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
I put the corn in to thicken and to take some of the heat from that very hot red chili and pad it with a little bit of healthy carbohydrate. With this, you don't need bouillon.
Man, it smells good, dude.
Boy, that's like the freshest chili anybody would ever want.
That's looking really good, huh? I can smell it already.
That's ready.
This is blue corn pozole.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks good. Is that chicken or what?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like my red chili like that. That way I can put as much or as little as I like.
It is really not over the top hot like last year's.
You didn't smell that hot? It smelled really nice.
It did. It's perfect.
It's pretty good chili.